You must be born again. You must make Him the Lord of your life, and you'll receive a brand new nature, and you'll become a new creature in Christ Jesus. Old things will be passed away, and behold, all things will become new, and they'll be of God, and you'll have a new life in Christ Jesus. He hasn't come to take away life. He hasn't come to make you stop doing this and stop doing that. He's come to give you life. And I go into high schools and I share this with them. I tell them, look, I do all the smoking, drinking, carousing, and cussing that I want to do. And they all go, hey, he's a preacher. I'll listen to him. He does all that. I do all that I want to do. He's changed me. I don't want to anymore.